will just get a line and divide this. Make it white. The line color should be white. So wow, the logo is quite good. So what will I do now? I will have to save it as a PNG, sorry, as a JPEG file. Let me save it as a JPEG file. Save it in my desktop where I can easily locate it. Okay, I've saved this now. So what I will do now is to open a fresh document. Name it Steve Gold Auto. Steve Gold Auto. One. The size is already here. I'll just click on OK. Come back here, copy one of the logo. I'll just hold my shift key, click on this, highlight them, copy, I will copy them, Ctrl C to copy, paste it here, take it up, reduce the size, let me group it again, Ctrl G to group, bring it to the center. So I need to put a background on this now. So I'll just get my rectangular shape, draw it over the logo, then give it a dark color and send this rectangle to back. I will arrange it to backward. So here now is the logo, a single one. So we need to I will need to put in the social media icons such as Facebook and the rest. So all I need to do is come over here to my free pin and type social media icons, then search for it. I have someone downloaded into my system already, so I'll be using that one. But while doing your own, just come over here, type the social media icons, it will come up, then you download the ones you want. So I'll just move over to my download, then bring it up. Icon. Okay, here it is. I will open it in my Adobe Illustrator. Okay, no, this is not it. Okay, so what I will need to do now is ungroup them. It is grouped, so I will need to ungroup them. Ungroup, then copy face. Okay, let me still ungroup again. Copy Facebook, come over here and paste it. The Facebook icon. So I'll just drop it here. I will get a line and drop it somewhere here. It stands so I can be able to arrange these icons. I will change the line color to white. Bring this closer. The Facebook username is Steve Otto. Let me type it here. Steve Good Otto. I will make it bigger, increase it to 36. Okay, let me increase it to 48. Let's say 50. But it needs to be in capital letter, so I'll just delete this. Steve Good Otto. I will make it white. Drop it here. Then go back. Get another icon. Get WhatsApp. Copy it. Come here, paste it. Get another one. Instagram. Copy it. Come here and paste it. So this Facebook should actually come down. The WhatsApp number should come first. Bring it down a little. Then take this WhatsApp up here. Then put up the WhatsApp number 08123567889. Make it white. Then drop it here. then the Facebook comes second. Push it more. Facebook username is Steve Otto. So another thing now is the Instagram. I will copy it. Paste. Bring it down here. Steve Otto. And let me go back and know if I will see email. So there is no email here, but for the course of this class we will just use this to replace the email. Copy this, come here, put it here. Let's use it to replace the email. I will just paste it, bring it down, then put up the email there. So it is Steve Good Otto at gmail.com. Keep it here, bring it down a little. So just remaining the home address, and there is no home address icon here. I will need to check another. I have also downloaded an icon that has the home address. You know the way to download it directly into your system. So you move over to the FreePin and download yours. I have the one I've downloaded already, so I'll be using it. Let me see this. Okay.
I hope all is good.
So I will have to ungroup this. Ungroup it. Then look for a house, for an address icon here. Okay, let's use this. I will copy it, come over to this place and paste it. Bring it down. I need to make it have gold color just like others. So what I will do now is I will pick up my eyedropper tool, click on this first, pick up my eyedropper tool and get that gold color. Okay, so I will drop this here. Since this will be longer than others, I'll just drop it somewhere here. Then the address now is number 55 Obiri Street, Abakaliki, Ebonyi State. So I'll still reduce it more, make it 34. Okay, I think this is the size is now okay. So I can now bring up this. And here comes the logo. So I will need to do the same thing for the second logo. Give it a name, Steve Gold Auto 22. Bring in a background and make it black. Then come over, copy the second one. I will have to group it first. Group them. Ctrl G to group, and I will copy. Paste it here. Bring it up a little. Bring it down. So I'll just come over and copy this. Click my shift key to copy all, then group it. Come over here and paste it. I'll just bring it down. I copied it since it's same information. There is no need entering the information again. I'll make this bigger. So here now is the two logos. So I will just save for web. Save Steve Auto 22 in my desktop. Okay, save the other one. Let me equally make this bigger. Then bring it down a bit and to the center. I will save for web. So guys, we are done with this part of the video. In the next video, I will be showing you how to convert these logos to 3D mockup using Photoshop. So I will see you in the next